Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are talking about the topic that is city creation. In this basically we are talking about the 20% education error basically. Then the 200 people basically which is generating the error. In this basically 11 parts has been divided in the world basically. For example, why it is divided, that basically we already told the example. Then one other person told that basically in this basically how well while dividing the earth planet basically which many software companies are giving the contribution basically. Then he told that basically lots of software companies energies are also basically included, which actually used in the software in the 11 parts division basically. Are you sure basically? Then he told that yes basically, which all energy basically are taken basically, that we will discuss in the later on basically, how each and every things basically are connected with each other. In this basically we are talking about this also basically we have. So then basically this is assume that 100 crore, more than 100 crore we will take, 100 crore projects are created by or basically from this 1 lakh software companies. So this comes to how much basically, this and this matrix is generated. This all are basically matrix basically. Then basically one of the person told that one crore human needs basically are created from this all above. Then he told that okay basically, you are correct. So 1 crore human needs basically are created basically. Then he told that okay basically, you are correct. So 1 crore human needs basically is created. That means one of the person told that it's connecting to the how many words basically. Then basically question actually was very dangerous basically, which was asked actually. Then he told that yeah, that need to calculate here basically. How basically we can calculate this basically? That is very difficult to calculate. Then one of the person told that basically calculate this. Then he told that calculate this also basically. Then one of the person told that calculate this also. That is the projects basically. And projects are equal to what basically? Then he told that basically projects are equal to datas basically, which are basically into the software basically. Then he told that, but that data basically are located at the physical location. Na? Then he told that yes, yeah basically. So that location is enough for us basically. Then he told that yes basically. One is the location where the software is deployed, and the another location is where the physical data basically. That's why lots of people say that physical verification is must basically, because in this time basically this type of things basically, when the error basically occurs, that time basically this gets this basically plays dangerous role basically. In this basically you have to think negative side and the positive side, both side basically. So these all are the calculation. He told that basically okay basically. Then he told that the 1 crore human needs are also basically created, and he told that okay 1 crore human needs basically are created. So 1 crore human needs basically assume that basically this actually somebody has asked the question basically, you are telling about software industry, sorry, you are telling about the other sector, then you tell basically how many errors basically are in your basically, that actually topic which is ongoing basically. Then one of the person told that 1 lakh human needs basically uh, are used by assume 200 crore people human, just taking 200 only basically, not too much basically. Otherwise basically here also plane will start. So 200 crore people basically used this 1 crore human needs. Then he told that okay basically, so you want to say that basically the words basically which was used for the human need basically, that are the physical place of the data, then he told that assume that basically the place was around 2 lakh. So 2 lakh city basically, 2 lakh city, uh, each city basically contains 20 words. Assume it's just taking as a number basically, this real basically the data might be totally different. So he told that each basically city contains 20 words. So like this you want to say that this many words basically, this many combination basically are used in the creation of human needs, that is 1 crore, and it is used by 200 crore people. Then into the yes here basically. So you want to say that basically 1 crore human needs multiply by 200, that multiply by 6 crore, that also you can say. Then yes basically you can say that like that basically. So next generation which is going to create, that is the next generation means next creation, next ideas, next views, next display which is going to be created, that basically you are creating. Then you do that yes basically, that only we are creating. The human needs basically, that is the software companies human needs basically, which is generated 1 crore, they are actually creating the next level view, next level future, that next level things basically, which is next level cities also basically you can say, next level ideas which is going to generate from that next level view and next level areas basically which is getting created. So one of the person told that like you want to say like that basically, then you do the yes basically. So you want to say that basically the software companies basically next level ideas basically you are designing, then he told that yes basically. So one of the person asked the question, up to what level idea basically you have designed? Then basically he told that basically yes, yeah, basically this very dangerous question. This only basically the software company basically might be having, and those group basically who are into the Oxford Dictionary group that are basically in Mumbai basically, because they have the list of words basically which is used by the MCA, BTech, and basically MCA BTech means BTech people basically sometimes basically don't work in software also basically, they basically use their field basically. But here so basically that's why basically we are not taking the BTech basically. So here basically we are just taking the computer software industries words basically. We are not taking the BTech words or basically MTech words, because lots of people basic of the MTech basically, they basically are doing MTech basically, they done the MTech but they are not into the software, they are basically into their field only basically, they are not came into the software field basically, but few people basically have came basically. So like this basically he told that this all are basically also basically there. So one of the person told that basically uh, like this basically the future basically are decided basically, then he told that yes basically, like this basically the future creation basically is done basically. So one of the person told that basically how you design the future and how basically you design the ideas basically. Then he told that basically as per the current creation only basically we can create the ideas in the future. Then he told that yes basically, and current creation ideas basically and the future creation ideas, that basically are equal to what? Then he told that basically set of words basically that are basically given by the Oxford group basically, which are basically sitting in the Mumbai city basically. Then he told that Mumbai city basically, that group basically are sitting basically, that basically are giving the future words for the software companies. Then he told the yes na basically they are basically from Uttar Pradesh, Biharis and Madhya Pradesh people basically are sitting there basically still. Then he told that they are basically giving the future data basically. Yes basically, so they are basically telling that which person should be in future basically projects and which person is not supposed to be in future projects basically. And they are basically controlled by these Maharashtrian people basically, that are Marathis. So the Maharashtrian people know that basically that this is the future word and these people basically are going to be in software industry basically. So in next video basically we are going to see basically how the future basically are decided of the software companies, and who basically decides the future basically, that in Oxford basically who decides that particular, that these all are words basically going to be used in the software industry.